How confident are you that if the significant proportion of healthcare provision moves to, as you say, maintenance and preventative health, that there will indeed be a profitable business model for you?
Well, I think there will be, for the simple reason that you and I are probably going to live much longer than our parents, and we're going to spend a longer time with chronic diseases that are costing society. Because those diseases start costing society when we no longer start contributing with our taxes. So the period that the government has to cover with ever less taxes is getting bigger and bigger. Anybody who can reduce that cost mountain will be reasonably reimbursed for doing that. It's very simple. How much would you, Paul, be willing to know that you will never have cancer in your life? Of, for example, let's say we're men of prostate cancer. And you know, when you know that you have a risk of 30%, what is it worth to you? Why do you insure your house? Of course you don't want it to burn, but you're still paying a premium. So the insurance business, it's almost like medical insurance in many ways. I believe there's absolutely business in preventing bad outcomes and giving us a longer life all the way up to the end, and we all will die and we must die, but without that gradual decline and the increasing cost and morbidity that goes with it.
You have to admit, don't you, though, that providing a reactive business service, which is essentially where we are today, and providing a proactive service, the level of money is generally spent far higher on the reactive side.
Yes.
When the world floods, we're very willing to spend money on defences. When there's nothing in sight and a long summer of sunny spells ahead of us, we're not.
Absolutely, and that's one of the issues, because politicians generally are not elected for life, which is a good thing, but they're elected for a period, so they want to score in that period. And that comes back to why it's so important that the patient takes charge, because the only one who's going to live with the result is the patient. The doctor may have retired, the hospital may have been rebuilt 20 miles down the road, the payer may have be gone, the politicians will be gone. The one and only one that can keep us focused there and making sure that we make the right decisions on the long term and not the wrong decisions, because they're good on the short term, is going to be the patient. And that's why I so much believe that if we center around patient value, we'll end up doing what's right.